Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Science Query. I am your host Dr. Asha, and in this video I am going to talk about monosaccharides. Before going into details, let us first see what is a monosaccharide. Monosaccharides are the simple form of carbohydrates. They cannot be broken down or hydrolyzed further. Some of the common monosaccharides are fructose and glucose. So, the next 5 minutes of the video will cover what are carbohydrates, classification of carbohydrate, monosaccharides, classification of monosaccharides and examples of monosaccharide. Now let us see what are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the most abundant organic molecules made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Scientifically, we can define carbohydrates as polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketone. Now let us see what is aldehyde and what is a ketone. Aldehyde is an organic compound with a carbon atom, shares a double bond with oxygen and a single bond with hydrogen with a functional group R. Whereas ketone is again an organic compound with carbonyl group, that is, carbon shares a double bond with oxygen and two functional groups that may be same or different. Let us see the classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also known as saccharides or sugar. Hence, based on the number of sugar, the carbohydrates are classified into three categories: monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Now let us see the monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest group of carbohydrates or simple sugars. General formula of monosaccharides are CnH2ON. They cannot be further hydrolyzed. The classification of monosaccharide are based mainly on the type of two categories. First, based on functional group, they can be classified as aldoses and ketoses. And based on the number of carbon atoms, they can be classified as triose, tetrose, pentose and hexose. Examples of monosaccharides are glucose and fructose with the formula C6H12O6. In glucose, the functional group is aldose and in fructose, the functional group is ketose. Therefore, glucose is aldohexose and fructose is ketohexose. Now let us see the structure of glucose or aldohexose. Aldo because of the aldose group and hexose because of the 6 carbon atom. Hence, the structure of glucose is having 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen, which includes an aldose group also. Therefore, the glucose formula is C6H12 and O6. Now let us see the structure of fructose or ketohexose. Keto defines the ketose group and hexose is for the 6 carbon. Hence, fructose consists of 6 carbon atom, 12 hydrogen atom and 6 oxygen atom with a ketose group in its structure. Hence, the formula is C6H12 and O6 for fructose. Other monosaccharide examples are triose with 3 carbon atom, in which the monosaccharide having aldose group is glyceraldehyde and the monosaccharide having ketose group is dihydroxyacetone. Tetrose group, where the monosaccharide having aldose group is erythrose and monosaccharide having ketose group is erythrulose. Pentose group with ribose, ribulose and hexose group with glucose and fructose. Now let's check your knowledge. Quiz time. A monosaccharide consists of 6 carbon, one of which is a ketone group, and it is classified as A. aldohexose, B. aldopentose, C. ketohexose or D. ketopentose. Well, the answer for this is ketohexose. Now another question. How many oxygen atoms are in one molecule of glyceraldehyde? A 6, B 5, C 3 or D 4? Well, the answer is there are 3 molecules of oxygen in glyceraldehyde. Next question, fructose can be classified as ketopentose, aldohexose, aldopentose or ketohexose. Well, the answer is ketohexose. Fructose can be classified as ketohexose. Another question, smallest carbohydrate triose is A. Ribose, B. Glucose, C. Glyceraldehyde or D. Dihydroxyacetone. The answer is the smallest carbohydrate triose is a glyceraldehyde. Well, that is all about monosaccharide. If you like my video, then please like and share my channel Science Query. Thank you.